Hello students, welcome you all in my channel Learn to Grow. Today we are going to learn about river valley civilizations. Students, a river valley civilization means the civilization situated beside a river. Why early humans settled near a river? So the reason is it was a reliable source of water for drinking and agriculture as well as fishing. So let's see how river valley civilization rises and in which regions. Have you heard Homo habilis ever? Homo habilis means a handy man or able man who made first stone tools. Homo habilis was one of the earliest members of the genus Homo. They live in Africa. Their brain had bigger than earlier species and also had ape-like features. First stone tools were made by them, used for simple things like scraping meat from the heads of dead animals, splitting bones to extract marrow, or for breaking nuts. To strike the stone with just enough impact and to remove flakes from a stone in order to shape a tool was the mankind's first big step in the field of technology. Gradually, what happened? The later species of Homo habilis were more advanced. They observed the seasons, nature, and started to live beside the rivers. They were confirmed about the water near river because of fertile soil. Crops were growing well. So early humans settled down near the rivers. There were 4 regions in the world: Mesopotamia, Egypt, Indian subcontinent, and China, where the river valley civilization grew. Let's learn first about the value of Euphrates and Tigris. Mesopotamia. The area of ancient Mesopotamia included modern Iraq, Syria, western regions of Iran, and southeastern regions of Turkey. Mesopotamia is the Greek name of the region between the 2 rivers, Tigris and Euphrates. Mesos means the middle one and Potamos means river. Now, what we got if we put these 2 words together? And we got Mesopotamia means the region between 2 rivers. Now a question arises, in which period people were living in this region? In the period of Mesolithic, people began to stay in this region because of the availability of ample water. Also, both rivers were flooded annually, making the soil on their banks very fertile. The camps of Mesolithic people developed into the first settled Neolithic villages. These first villages are dated 10,000 years BCE, means before Common Era. The farmers in these villages grew wheat and barley. Now let's learn about the value of Nile, Egypt. Egypt is located in the northern parts of the African continent and in the valley of the Nile River. With Napoleon Bonaparte, many scholars from various fields during his invasion of Egypt in 1798, they studied the ancient remains in Egypt and published it. These studies received a momentum because of the decipherment of the Rosetta inscriptions. What means decipherment? It means the discovery of the meaning of text written in ancient languages or scripts. It became possible to read the Egyptian hieroglyph where characters used in a system of pictorial writing. The first Neolithic villages in Egypt came into being at about 6000 BCE. The beginning of agriculture in Egypt coincides with the same time. Now next is the value of the Huanghe in China. The valley of Huanghe River is considered to be the region of origin of the Chinese culture. The Chinese culture evolved here Agriculture in the Neolithic villages of China began at about 7000 BCE. Wheat, foxtail millet, and rice were grown by the farmers in these villages. Huanghe River is called in English Yellow River. Also, river and mother are her other names. These names indicate the extraordinary place of the river in the Chinese culture. Now let's see fourth and last, the valleys of Sindhu or Indus and Saraswati. Indian subcontinent, the region of the valleys of Sindhu and Saraswati is now divided between India and Pakistan. The archaeological excavation at Harappa on the banks of Ravi in Punjab and Mohenjo-daro on the banks of Sindhu in Sindh indicate the existence of a fully developed civilization in the Indian subcontinent, which was dated to 3000 BCE. A number of archaeological sites of Neolithic villages have been discovered, which proves that there were well-settled villages in the Indian subcontinent as early as 8000 BCE. Barley was the main crop grown by the farmers in these villages. However, wheat was also grown on a smaller scale. The farmers in these villages were the first farmers of the Indian subcontinent. They kept cattle and goat sheep. They lived in mud houses. The archaeological site at Mihargarh in Balochistan has yielded evidence of the continuous human occupation from the Neolithic times to the rise of Harappan civilization and the material culture of the respective periods. Students, in this video we learned 4 river valley civilizations: Mesopotamia, Egypt, China, and Indian subcontinent. In next video, there will be information about Indus Valley civilization in detail. I hope you will like and share this video with your friends, and please subscribe my channel if you are thinking the given information is useful for you.